Presenting Canon EOS 6D Mark II Digital SLR Camera. This powerful yet full-frame compact DSLR propels your images to the next level. The Movie Servo AF allows you to shoot movies and videos in full HD. The camera comes with a 26.2 megapixel image sensor and dual-pixel CMOS AF to gather maximum light and enable stunning images. The camera comes with a touchscreen vari-angle LCD monitor with an 80% focus area both horizontally and vertically. The camera comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity options along with a GPS login function to enable you to geotag images for record keeping. It also comes with an inbuilt 5-axis image stabilization system. The product box comes with a camera body, battery pack, battery charger, lens cap, an eye cup and EF24-105mm lens. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.